In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Kick Chat in OBS Studio PC tutorial. By the end, you'll have your Kick Chat living right inside OBS so you can read and moderate messages without juggling windows. You'll need OBS Studio installed on your PC and an active Kick account. Before we do anything in OBS, first make sure Kick streaming is available in your region. Availability can vary, and some regions may limit features like embedded chat. If you're unsure, check Kick's help resources, or try accessing your channel and chat in a standard desktop browser to confirm everything loads normally. Next, open a web browser and log into your Kick account. It's best to use a stable, up-to-date browser. Once you're logged in, head to your channel page where your chat normally appears. Look for the chat settings icon, usually near the top of the chat panel, and select Pop Out Chat. This opens your chat in a dedicated browser window. Copy the full URL from the address bar. That link is what we'll embed into OBS. Leave the pop-out window open for a moment to make sure it's active and messages are flowing. Now switch to OBS. At the top of the OBS window, open the Docs menu. From there, choose Custom Browser Docs. A small dialog will appear where you can create a new doc that loads a web page inside OBS. In the doc name field, type Kick Chat so it's easy to recognize. In the URL field, paste the pop-out chat link you copied from your browser. Make sure the link starts with HTTPS so it loads correctly inside OBS's built-in browser. You don't need to set a size here. You can resize the doc after it appears. Click Apply, then close the window. Your new Kick Chat doc should appear inside OBS. If you don't see it, go back to the Docs menu and ensure there's a check next to Kick Chat. You can click and drag the doc by its title bar to snap it to any edge of OBS or float it as a separate panel. Resize it so the latest messages are clearly visible. And, if prompted inside the doc, sign into your Kick account to authenticate the chat. If the doc looks blank, verify you're still logged into Kick in your browser, repaste the pop-out chat URL, or recreate the doc. Also, disable any aggressive browser extensions that might block embedded content. That's it. Your Kick Chat is now integrated into OBS, letting you monitor and engage with viewers without leaving your streaming workspace.